Okay, so now we're going to move on to collecting like terms. Now we understand or reminded ourselves what these expressions mean. So to start off with, you're going to do a quick task in your book. So there are 12 terms expressed on the board here. Your job is to pause the video and put them into groups of any that you think are what we call like terms. So that just means one that we can collect together because they are kind of like the same currency. Okay, so pause now, have a go at that, and then come back and we'll do it together. Okay, hopefully you're back to do this together. So, like terms are anything that have the same unknown or the same variable. Okay, spell that properly. The same variable. So if we first of all look at A, the variable that we don't know there is A. Okay, so this one here, 5A, also has the same thing that we don't know. A and 5A, they are what we call like terms. Okay, but then if you take a look at this one, is that a like term that goes with that as well? Okay. And the answer to that is no. 7a squared, I'll just move these over here for a minute. 7a squared is not a like term with a. So a squared and a are not like terms. So I'm going to make a little note of that here. So if you didn't know that, or that's a reminder for you, you're going to write that down there. A and a squared are not like terms. So these two are a group here. Okay. Those two are like terms, but this one does not go with them. Okay. The reason for that is because if a was 4, it means the unknown value for these two is 4. But the unknown value for this one is not 4, it's 4 squared, which is actually 16. Okay. So they are not like terms. Similar reason, a cubed is not going to be a like term with any of these over here either, but it will be a like term with 7a cubed because they have the same unknown. Okay. 5b and b over 2 are another group. Oh, and 16b as well, nearly forgot that one, because the unknown in those three is all b. And a bit like over here, 5b squared does not belong in there. Okay, because b squared is different. Okay. Then we have 3 numbers as well. So they are also all like terms. We could collect those together as well. Okay. So 7a squared and 5b squared, they don't belong in any of the other groups. Okay. We could write some like terms to go with them. So another like term to go with that would be b squared or 8b squared, anything as long as it had b squared in it, and the same with 7a squared, okay, as long as the unknown is only a squared.